Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley on your Nintendo Switch. First, you'll need to acquire the game from the Nintendo eShop, which is a digital storefront accessible directly from your console. Once downloaded, ensure your Switch has sufficient battery life or is connected to power. You'll then launch the game from the home screen, select New Game, and begin customizing your farmer and farm layout. It's a straightforward process to jump into your new rural life. Once your farm is set up, you'll dive into the core gameplay. Farming involves tilling the soil with your hoe, planting various seeds, and watering them daily using your watering can. Remember, consistent watering is key for successful harvests. Beyond farming, you can explore the surrounding areas to forage for wild edibles and gather essential resources like wood and stone. Don't forget to visit Pelican Town and chat with its residents. Building friendships is a huge part of the game's charm. As you progress, you'll want to expand your farm and improve your skills. Head to the blacksmith to upgrade your tools, making tasks like chopping wood or mining much faster. The mines offer a wealth of resources, including copper, iron, and precious gems, but be prepared for combat. Consider building a coop or barn to raise animals such as chickens and cows, providing eggs and milk. Also, contribute to the community center by completing bundles to restore the town. To truly master Stardew Valley, planning your daily routine is crucial. Each in-game day offers limited time, so prioritize tasks like watering crops, tending animals, or mining. Always check the television for important information, including the next day's weather and your daily luck, which affects various outcomes. Crafting allows you to create tools, furniture, and even food. Remember, your progress is saved only when you go to bed at the end of each day, so don't forget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.